welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a long time since I haven't been able to record, upload anything on YouTube, but it's just been like crazy. I've been super busy, so I haven't been able to do anything. But today I'm gonna be swatching lip swatches on my lips with the Gerard Cosmetics liquid lipsticks. So please subscribe to my channel and also click the little bell notification to get notifications, and also keep on watching to see all these beautiful colors. Alright, so let's get started. So the lip gloss I'm wearing, it's actually from Gerard Cosmetics. Here I have it. It is color Crazy Plum. I don't know if you can see it, but it's Crazy Plum, and then it is like a burgundy kind of color. I have it on my lips right now, but it even has like a small little mirror, and then when you open it up, it has like a light. You see, like there's like a light, so when you're applying it, you can like see what you're like, you know, like but I think it's super convenient. I think you guys should try it out. It is pretty good. I don't really have nothing against it, but I think it's pretty good. Yeah, so try these out. I have 9 liquid lipsticks in total. These aren't all of the ones Gerard Cosmetics has, but these are the ones I got sent in PR, so we're gonna be trying these out. So first I'm gonna start off by taking the lip gloss off. So I don't think it's gonna be that hard as to taking off a liquid lipstick. So what I'm gonna be using, what is my like ride or die, is the Mary Kay eye makeup remover. It's super good. I recommend it. I've been trying the Caleres, this one like this. I've been trying the micellar cleansing water that does not take anything off. This one is good. So I'm gonna start off by taking this off. Alright, so I'm gonna be starting up with the Hydra Matte Everything Nice. Here it is, this one. It's like a sort of like a nude. I take it as like a nude to me. So alright, so yeah, so this is the color Everything Nice. It's more like I say like a pinkish soft nude, I would say. It's not like, I don't see beige. Alright, off to the next color. I'm gonna be doing Serenity. I think this is like a pink. Yeah, this is like pink. Alright, so we're gonna go in with Serenity. Yeah. Alright, so here we have the color Serenity. I don't like pinks. I'm not a big fan of them, but you know, maybe when the time comes, maybe in the summer, Easter, maybe I'll wear it, but I'm just not too into it. But here is a close-up of, here is Serenity. You want to take a look. I'm not too big into it, but you know, maybe in Easter, summer, I'll probably wear it. But yeah, Serenity here. Alright, so our next color is gonna be Bare It All. I think I've worn this one, so I think this is gonna be one of my faves. So yeah, this is Bare It All. Nude. Alright guys, so this is Bare It All. This is overall my favorite one. This one, I recommend this one. This is like a nude. I think that this is one of the I think this nude would fit every skin tone because it fits me, and it's really hard for me to find a good nude. Well, for my preference, this one's a good one. I would recommend this one a lot. So now to the next one is gonna be 1995. So now I gotta start taking this one off. My lips are gonna be so red after this. I wonder how people do it, like a whole like collection. Right, so 1994, here we go. So yeah, this is 1995. I would still wear this. This is so my type of colors. This is like a mauve like rosy tone. So yeah, this one I would totally recommend this one. I like this one a lot. Alright, so next one I have is Ecstasy. Alright, so here we have Ecstasy. This is like a purple shade. I've actually never worn a purple shade ever. But you know, it is really drying though. Like, I don't know if it's my lips that are just like but yeah, this is like one color that I probably won't wear, but it's great to have in your collection. But if you like these type of colors, you should totally give it a buy. But maybe I could wear it one day. I don't know when that's gonna be, but you know, I'll probably try to pull it off. I don't know if I can pull it off, but yeah. So this is Ecstasy for you. Alright, so now we're going into the more darker shades. So I think we're gonna go into Share. Let's see, let's try this one out on the lips. Alright, so here is a Share on the lips. I totally like this. I would wear this. This is one of the colors I would wear. This is more like a pink, like a dark pink with like a dark pink to me. Yeah, but I would totally wear this. I like this. This is Share for you. Now we're gonna go into Plum Crazy. Here it is. I don't think I've tried this one out. Let's see how this one works. Alright, so I started putting this one on, and I'm gonna take it off. Like, it smelled to me weird, like when I was putting it on, and let me just take it off. Alright, so I started to put Plum Crazy on, and look at how, like, what? Like, it's like all clumped up. Like, it's like I started putting it on, and like it started like getting like it was like thick. It wasn't like, you know, liquidy, like liquid, like a normal liquid lipstick. No, it was like thick, and then it smells like old Play-Doh. Like it gave me a headache. This is not, no, this is this is a no-no for me. I don't know if it's the color or like maybe like it was expired. I don't know, but this is the way that I got it, so this is the way that I'm presenting it. And no, that was not good. That was not good. Alright, so Let me open this one up and see if it's not like that. No, this one's not like it. This is like, see, like, big difference. Like, this one, hold up, let me smell. No, this one doesn't smell like that. Oh, I don't like that smell. Oh. Okay, yeah, that's probably expired because there's a big difference between that one and to the rest of them that I've tried. Even like the way it feels, like the way that you take it out, it's like a normal liquid lipstick. No, that was horrible. Oh, no. Okay, so is this the color Boss Lady? Here we go. To me, it's like a reddish brown, but let's see how it looks on the lips. I'm big on like dark colors, but you know, why not give it a try? It looks like I eat chocolate. Alright, so this is Boss Lady. Yeah, maybe this is a no for me. I feel weird. I don't feel comfortable. Probably won't wear this one. This one makes me feel like, whoa, like, where? No. This is like really dark. This is basically just brown, like a brown with a tint of red. Yes. Yeah, probably not gonna wear this one, but yeah, this one was better than the last one. So, all right. So this is gonna be a pain to take off. Let's do it. Alright, so now to the very last one, which is this one. It is called Immortal, and this is a red color. Yeah. I actually do like red colors, so let's see how this one looks. So this is the Immortal color. This is a red, hot red, like. But this is one of the colors I would actually wear. I actually really like reds, but I'm more into a little darker. But you know, this one won't hurt, so I'm gonna be trying this one out in the future. So yeah, that's basically all the colors I have right now. Alright guys, so that's been everything. There's been good, there's been really bad, but you know, there's been a little bit of both. If you guys want to purchase any of these, just use my discount code Chinita Montavo to save a little bit of money. And also stay tuned for vlogs coming in the future. I will be posting those in around like next week. In 2 weeks I will start posting vlogs. And yeah, so stay tuned for that. And also thank you guys for watching my videos, and I'll see you next time. Bye guys.